Japanese artists cut beautiful paper into every detail. Paper works by Japanese artists are appreciated for their subtlety and creativity. Male artist guide round paper cutting techniques. Ryu is famous online thanks to the ability to cut beautiful paper to detail. Male artists regularly post video tutorials to implement this technique. According to Bored Panda, with a dedicated knife and talented hands, Mr. Artist Ryu has breathed the sharp lines on white or black paper. The works of male artists are mainly created by the application of Zentangle, meditation technique or doodle painting. It is the technique of creating repetitive motifs, but not predetermined. This art form does not follow any rules. Their creativity is the only limit. The Mandala Circle, symbolizing the divine universe, is the favorite creation of Mr. Ryu. The meaning of the mandala is that the image can contain the most sacred of life. In order to finish the paper cut products, besides meticulousness and absolute precision, patience is the top priority the artist needs. I have not been patient in the past, but I think I can spend a lot of time finishing a work for passion. Ryu shared. Love of nature and nature are the message of Japanese artists want to send in the children of his spirit. I just hope these artistic creations will make my sons, as well as everyone, reflect on peace on earth, the artist said. He shared one of the most important things in paper cut art was to understand the rhythm of emotion, an abstract element he had captured. Photos and information about Mr. Ryu is not published on the internet. Instagram's male artist page attracts nearly 100,000 followers.